Today we talk about how can you fix this problem or know how you can do that on your Dragon City app. So all you have to do, so you just click here on settings here. When you just click here on settings, it's going to show for you this like this here. Then you go down, just keep going down here. Click here on apps. Come to apps list. Indeed, you're looking for Dragon City app. So just click here on settings, and here at Dragon City it's going to show for you like this. Then it's going to take you to this list. Click on first stop, click on OK here. Then you go down, just click on storage. Come to storage list, you just click on clear cache. Then all you have to do, so you just turn off your Wi-Fi and turn on it again. Then it's going to work with you. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking.